Bowen eating dinner. Yeah. What does Mama have?
Mama.
What is this? What do you say when you see this?
Mama.
What do you say when you see that?
Mama.
What's that? What's that?
It's a bottle. Who's the bottle for? Who's it for? Who's it for?
What's this?
Papa.
There you go.
Yeah.
That's who it's for. Can you say it again?
Papa.
That's right. It's for Papa.
That's right. Does Papa like that? Yes, he does.
Let's take another good look. What is it that Papa likes?
Oh. You can't drink that.
Silly boy.
What's this? Can you say hi?
Say hi, Papa.
Say hi, Papa.
Say love you, miss you.
Can you wave hi?
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Dinner time.